great to have you with us, everybody.
All right,
Thanks
we
for
got
your generosity too on that.
Yeah. Well, we have a family reunion in the building, and they want to hear some Dr. Hook, so we're going to go there. Well, we're big rock singers, we got golden fingers, we're loved everywhere we go. We sing about beauty, we sing about truth, $10,000 a show. It'd be nice. Make all kind of pills, give us all kind of thrills. The thrill we never know is the thrill that gets you when you get your picture on them. That is Rolling Stone. Wanna see my picture on the cover. Wanna buy 5 copies for my mother. Wanna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. I'm a freaky old lady named Cocaine Kate, embroiders on my dream. I got my poor old gray-haired daddy driving my limousine. Now it's all the sign, blow our minds, but our minds won't really be low. Like the blow that gets you when you get your picture on the Rolling Stone. Wanna see my picture on the cover. Wanna buy 5 copies for her mother. Wanna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. We got a lot of little teenage blue-eyed groupies doing things the same. We got a genuine, life coach who's teaching us a better way. We got all the friends money can buy, so we never had to buy alone. Well, we keep getting richer, but we can't get our picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone, wanna see my picture on the cover. Wanna buy 5 copies for my mother. Wanna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Looking all beautiful.
Sorry.
There goes Dr. Hook by request. Thank you very much for that.
This goes out to my brown-eyed girl, Darian. Heaven and we go. It was the rain came down in the hollow. Playing a new game. Laughing and running, skipping and jumping. In the misty moment following, our hearts thumping and you, brown-eyed girl. You're my what? Whatever happened to being so slow? Coming down to your mind with the transistor radio, tipping at the static. How they had a rainbow, tipping at the static. All alone, waterfalls with you, brown-eyed girl. You're my what? Do you remember when we used to sing? Let's hear you champion going one. Come on now. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. So I can find my way down the aisle on my own. Saw you
Is this a library? Do you hate music? Let's hear you one louder. All right, champions. Yourselves a hand, champions. Just remember that we are the champions, my friends.
It's tasty right there.
That is a slogan that is
Tasty.
going to stick, and that I know Greg Newton is going to want to use often, but you'll have to talk to me, Greg, to get permission.